underestimating me. What is wrong in your head? Baby, I know what I can be inside out. Never was slow, never was lazy. All alone, and cheap. What I wanted in my life, my life, my life. I'm gonna show you all what I can achieve. No limits at all, no boundaries. I'm gonna show you all I won't be deceived. No more laughing, please. Baby, I know what I can be inside out. Never was slow, never was lazy. All alone, and cheap. What I wanted in my life, my life, my life. To the sky, higher, 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 higher. keep, cause the drama ain't important. Let them all talk, talk, I'ma just ignore it. Hang on to my heart, you keep me moving forward. Hey, oh, it feels so crazy when you scream my name. B.I.G. Sean Don. Okay, today I woke up feeling like the mayor. I spent about an hour looking in the mirror, as I should. As much as I've been through, it's a wonder I look this damn good. I could probably make it out any situation that you try to put me into. If I swim with the piranhas, guaranteed that I'ma probably have a fish dinner. I met a young girl with a sexy shape, but like Jessie J, that we escapade where it's extra shade. She made me want to give and not take like collection plates. Wow, all the awards, bras, cars, wall to wall was all a mirage. And I could lose it all tonight just to show the world I could do it twice. This is my life, life,
If this
life.
is a dream, I'll open my eyes. Am I asleep? No, I'm alive. I
Jessie
just
J.
can't believe that this is my life. In my fantasy, we're running wild. If this is a dream, I'll open my eyes. Am I asleep? No, I'm alive. I just can't believe that this is my life. In my fantasy, we're running wild.
Rascola, double the dollar. I'm a jet setting brother, more hits than a white collar. But I can't be boxed, flow tight like Bob Marley's locks. I can't be dropped. I'm at the peak and I can't be topped. I'm wilding out, I've lost the plot, I can't be stopped. Pull up in the gnarly Rari, buy me what? Opposite of calmly, I bet I get the party hot. I can't be blocked. 10 years plus running the game. You brothers just come in the game, but now I'm coming again to get the people going dumb and insane. 100,000 people going bonkers in the mud and the rain. Women on shoulders, tops off, shouting my name. I'm all in the brain. Why would I complain? I thought I was the boy in the corner, but I'm in a pen.